everyone, I'm Emma from customer service here at Cloth and Paper, and today I am going to talk to you about fountain pens. So there are two fountain pens in Cloth and Paper's May Penspiration Box, and I am very excited to show you how to set them up and use them. So let's get started. So whenever you get a new fountain pen, it is a good idea to flush it before you use it. So it's very easy to flush a fountain pen. All you're going to need is a glass of water, preferably at about room temperature. So you're going to take the pen and submerge the nib in the water, and then turn the cartridge knob to the right to draw water up into the pen. Then you turn it back to the left to push the water back out again. So you repeat this process several times, and this makes your pen all clean and ready to use when you put the ink in it. After you flush your pen, you have two choices for ink: cartridges or bottled ink using the converter. First, I am going to show you how to use cartridges. Start by removing the converter and then choose which color cartridge you would like to use. The May Penspiration Box also comes with 10 cartridges in assorted colors. Every cartridge has one end that is meant to be punctured so the ink will flow. This end goes into the pen. Firmly press the cartridge into the pen. You may feel a slight click as the cartridge fits into place but has not punctured yet. Keep pressing until you feel the cartridge puncture completely. Then reassemble the pen and you are ready to write. Next, I'll show you how to use bottled ink with your pen using the converter. This process is very similar to flushing your pen. After making sure that the converter is firmly inserted, dip the nib into the ink until the nib is fully submerged. Turn the knob on the converter to the right to draw ink up into the pen. If the converter does not fill completely, simply turn the knob to the left to push the ink back out, and then repeat the process until the converter is full. Gently wipe off any excess ink on the nib. Then reassemble your pen and you are ready to write. While bottled ink will flow pretty much immediately, it may take some time for ink in a cartridge to start flowing. If your pen doesn't start writing immediately, just take a piece of paper and draw figure eights on it until the ink begins to flow. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us at Cloth and Paper, and we will be happy to help you answer them. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.